Am I psychic or just positive thinking universe coming back to me? Let's go with that one because I'm not psychic at all. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what came in the September 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, I am, for some reason, really excited to unbox my Ipsy this month. Usually I'm disappointed, but I don't know, I just got some good vibes. I feel like the bag is going to be really good. Maybe because the BoxyCharm, BoxyLuxe was not so good. I don't know. But this bag arrived really late. Today is September the 21st, so yes, once again, lately I've been filming midweek, which is not the norm, but I didn't want this to go up in the month of October. So here I am. All right, let's dive in and do this to see if my good vibes are on par with what is coming in this bag. For anyone who is new to Ipsy, Ipsy is a beauty subscription, which for now is $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size products. You do get to select 3 of the 5 items you receive. Starting next month, October, the bag is going up to $28. How do you guys feel about that price increase? Everything in the world is getting so expensive. I just went to Costco and good Lord, you get good deals at Costco, but still everything has gone up in price. All right, I digress. Let's reach in, see what kind of a bag we got. Oh my God, I'm getting Alicia Silverstone vibes in, what was that movie? Clueless. Doesn't this look like the outfit she wore? Oh my goodness, very, what is that? Early 90s, late 90s, mid 90s plaid vibes. All right, is there a card? Yes. It says work, school, life, and you know, they got rid of the card that had the items and the prices, and I thought it was so they could be green, but this isn't very green. I think it's because they have so many iterations that they couldn't keep up on the cards. I don't know, I'm speculating. All right, what is the first item? All right, what is this? Ooh, I've received a product from this brand before. This is from East 29th, and it's the Vital Serum. And I'm super excited. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, lemon rind extract, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Ooh, for anyone who's not into the skincare, those are really good ingredients. Niacinamide is really good for anti-aging. Hyaluronic acid is good for moisture. I'm not going to test this out because I'm 99% sure. I know I have a serum from this brand. I'm not sure if it's the exact same one. All right. Good start, Ipsy. What is the next item? Oh my God. Whatever it is very heavy, and I'm super excited. This is from MAKIAGE, and it is the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. For some reason, I thought it was going to be a bronzer. And this is an eye color quad. Okay, so I have received a single eyeshadow from MAKIAGE. And the packaging is like super hefty. It's real metal. I'm super excited. Please be a color story. I will love and enjoy. If not, I'm going to make myself love and enjoy whatever's in here. If I can figure out. Oh, there we go. Yes! Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm super excited. That is beautiful. Swatch time. This is right up my alley. Look at those. They are very pigmented. This one is just a really soft light nude color and I'm so fair. But look at those. The shimmers swatched really well. Let me know down below if you want to see me do an eye look using this. I am super excited. Makeup. All right, Ipsy, you're already kicking a $50 8-item box from BoxyCharm with only 2 items. All right, next item. What is this? We have from a brand I'm not familiar with called Sweet Chef. And this is turmeric plus vitamin C booster eye cream. Oh my goodness. I really don't remember what I selected or what the selections were. I think maybe because it's an eye cream, knowing myself, I might have grabbed this. Ooh, turmeric's supposed to be really good, both to take as a supplement and for your skin. Ooh, interesting. It's like, looks like half the bottle's empty. Oh, good. It has a soft, subtle scent, but not. I've never used a turmeric product, but I've heard it can be kind of stinky, but this one does not stink. Yes. And it is kind of, it's not a gel cream, but it's a light cream that seems gel-like. If you know what I mean, it's very light. Very, very, very light. Oh, yes. I don't like when eye creams are too thick because I get the little milia and those little white bumps that don't go away unless you pay a dermatologist to break the skin and push them out. So, yes. 3 for 3, Ipsy. Next item. What is this? We have a lip product. Who's this from? Ooh, this is from NABLA. And this is the Shine Theory Lip Gloss. Oh my goodness. 4 for 4? Look at that. Please don't be sticky. And please don't stink. I got it on my nose. It has a very soft, like barely there scent that don't make me name. Doesn't smell bad, slightly sweet, but it's not very strong. Yes. All right, let's do a little swatch. All right, so it's kind of clear-ish. Yeah. On my lips, you know it. I don't care that I already have 4 products on. Not sticky. And this is a good, you can put it on top of any lip color. Yes. Oh my goodness. We are 4 for 4. Am I psychic or just positive thinking universe coming back to me? Let's go with that one because I'm not psychic at all. All right. Last item. What is this? We have from BFF, Best Face Forward, Probiotic Blue Light Protection Cream. Okay, so I assume some kind of moisturizer. Let me know, have you guys heard of this brand? I have not. It does not come safety sealed, so let's give it a little check-see. Oh, this one does have a scent, which I have smelled before. Reminds me of some other brand. Don't ask me to name it or to even describe the scent. Maybe like some almond. Well, it's not floral, not super sweet. I'm going with almond. I don't know. Let me know if you have this or received this, if you can identify the scent. It's lovely, not obnoxious. Yes, okay, so very skincare heavy. However, I don't mind the skincare. I'm 54 years old. I need the skincare. However, we did get 2 makeup items, and one is a lovely, super bougie packaging eyeshadow quad in colors that I will wear every day of my life. And then a lovely lip gloss. All right, let's recap what came in this box. So we got a lovely 4-pan eyeshadow palette from MAKIAGE, a beautiful lip gloss from NABLA, a nice moisturizer for the face and for blue light, a serum with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, and a turmeric eye cream. What are your thoughts? I am ecstatic. This is the first time in a long time where I've liked and enjoyed every single product. This is a 5 for 5 rockstar stellar bag in my opinion. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total. Honestly, I don't care if this is only worth 90 bucks. I love all the products. We'll use all the products. To me, that is what is key to getting a really good box. Now, if it comes back and the value is $234, that's even better. Let me know. Did you get a good box this month? Ipsy, why can't you be consistent? It's such the roller coaster, right? I mean, I can't remember. I want to say last month was pretty but yes, okay. I'm excited. Now, all they have to do is come November, make sure the $55 Glam Bag X doesn't suck. If not, that's going to be my last one because the last, actually all of them to be honest, have been a little meh. But this $25, the last of the $25 box, actually if this was a $28 box, it would have been just as spectacular. Alright, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my video. It means the world to me. If you haven't done so by now, I would love it if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. And then don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. I post 3 times a week, every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. And then you see the guy down there, looks like this. It would really help out my channel if you would hit the like button. Share if you feel like it. If not, at least just leave me a comment. Alright, thanks everyone.